Alright, so we have a series and a sequence, and then we have decimal places. So the first question we are asked to solve is change or convert 14.325 to 2 decimal places. And whenever you are talking about decimal places, we start from after this point. As you can see, there is a point here. Here is before point, and here is a after point. So if you are trying to solve this question, you are going, since what we are looking for is a 2 decimal places, that means we are going to, after this point, we are just going to count 2 numbers. So we now have a 1, 2. So this box now contains our answer. So the answer to this now is we have 14 points, we have 3, and we have 2, and that is our final answer. So this is a 2 decimal places. Okay, let me give you another one. Here now we have 23.1425 or 1423, and then we are asked to convert this to what? 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. So this is what we are going to do. We don't need this part. We start counting after the point. So only remember it. Call it after point. After point. So we will only start counting after the point, and what we need is 3 numbers. So 3 decimal places implies 3 numbers. So after this point now, let's count 1, 2, 3. We stop here. We have gotten the 3 number. So this box now is our answer. Therefore, the answer to this question is we have this 23.142. 1, 2, 3. So this is correct. This is the 3 decimal places. So let me show you now another example so that you understand what I'm trying to teach. Here now we have 42.1332. Okay. Here now we are asked to convert this to let's say 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. So after this point now, that's where we start counting. We don't need here, so we are not going to count here. We start counting after the point. So here now, what we are going to do is we now count 1, 2. This is 2 numbers, so 1, 2. Then we stop, and we have gotten our answer. So we no longer need this part because we need only 2 numbers. If it were to be 3, then we have included this one, but we only need 2 numbers. Therefore, the final answer will now become 42.13. That's the answer. Now let me now give you the last example on this one. Look at another one. So here now we are asked to convert this one to 4 decimal places. 4 decimal places. So as usual, we have before point and we have after point. And when you check here now, there's the line that demarcates. We don't need this part. We start counting after the points. So here now we just count 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we are looking for 4 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what we are looking for. So in this case now, our answer is 232 points. We write all this one that is inside here, 1425, and this is our final answer.